What's going on YouTube? Greg here at Buy or Build. We have a brand new set of the Silvers Neomax adjustable coilovers for the FA5 and FG2 8th Gen Civic Si. Spring rates are 12K front, 6K rear. These are literally brand new, unopened. These are for sale in my website with the link below in the description. These normally take 2 weeks to ship as everything is made to order. We have the Fortunato 500s as well. And we also have the BC Racing coilovers. Let's go ahead and open these up, see how they look. These are really nice coilovers for the money. These are not a new company. These guys have been in business since the 90s, but they recently just started doing business in the United States. So you'll hear about Silvers in Europe and Asia especially. But now they are part of North America. Really nice coilovers, gives you some instructions, some warranty, and the collar wrenches for adjusting the height. Nicely packaged together. Let's remove some of the foam so you can get a better idea how these look. Really nice. Okay, so got some struts there for the rear. We have the springs again for the rear. They're separate. And here are the front coilover. Assembly comes complete. Take a look at one of these. Really nice build quality. Everything feels super well put together. It's got a good weight to it, so it's not a cheap product at all. These coilovers look really, really nice. Nice attention to detail. Has a good finish on it. I love these collars. So they're built with some good depth as well. So a lot of cases, these are built so shallow that when you adjust them and over time, they start to round on the corners and it's hard to use the wrenches to adjust these. So these are really nicely built for that purpose. These are option with the default springs from Silvers. You can also upgrade them to the Swift springs, and that's about an extra $340 front and rear. And if you only need fronts or you only need rears, it will be half that price. Adjustable camber, adjustable dampening, comes with new nuts. These are really sweet. So yeah, this is for the 8th Gen Civic Si. The difference between the Si and the regular 8th Gen are going to be the spring rates, but everything else are the same. So if you guys are looking to place an order for Fortunato, Silvers, BC Racing, True Heart, we have it all in our website, www.buyyour.build. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.